As always, please retry the question before watching the video. This is another literals. So literals, we want to be as literal as possible. And so we're going to read the question and ask ourselves, what is it asking? Which choice indicates there is another specific type of work depicted in the mural? So we'll read each of the answers and determine which one depicts another type of work, a specific type of work in the mural. There, in paint, Chinese immigrants worked their jobs. One bent over a clothes iron, others caught up in railroad construction, and a giant figure on the horizon, his gaze locked on the passerby. All right, so this one has railroad construction, which is an entirely different type of work than being bent over the clothes iron. And so this is probably going to be the right answer, but we'll take a look at the others. G, gripping it with an enormous hand. That does not indicate another type of work because he's talking about the clothes iron. In the center of the image, that does not depict another type of work. Others hard at work. That does not depict another type of work or specific type of work. The only one that gives us specific type of work is answer F, which is indeed the correct answer. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write what you learned along with the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to do the remaining literals questions you missed on this test. If this is the final literals questions you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the literals mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before moving on to the next category.